Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting this channel. I thank all the viewers. Today one Olympiad math challenge. How to find floor of 100 times of r, given that r is a real number for which floor of r plus 19 over 100 plus floor of r plus 20 by 100 plus floor of r plus 21 over 100 up to plus floor of r plus 91 by 100 equals to 546. Let's define the floor function. Floor function or greatest integer function is defined as where the input is a real number and output is an integer less than or equals to x. We write f of x equals to greatest integer function. For example, if 2.7 is 2, but when you take minus 2.7, negative minus 2.7 equals to negative 3. So the number integer less than the number is the result. Next concept we have to know here that if it is x plus floor of x plus floor of x plus 1 over n, we need not know about this plus, this Hermite identity. Only if these numbers are x plus 2 over n, it may be x plus n minus 1 over n, whatever will be the values in the floor function. The result is either floor of x or floor of x plus 1. Here n is an integer, a positive integer. Now coming back to the question, we have to find floor of 100 r. That means we have to get r plus 1 over 100 plus r plus 2 over 100 plus last is r plus floor of 99 by 100. So each floor will be calculated and sum will be the floor of 100 times of r. So before that, we will find the value of r. So what is given? Given that floor of r plus 19 over 100 plus floor of r plus 20 over 100 to floor of r plus 91 over 100 equals to 546. So let us see how many terms are there. So here they are in AP. First term is 19 up to 91. So there are 73 terms. and there are 73 terms. Either they are of value of R or floor of R plus 1. If we roughly calculate 546 divided by 73, we are getting 7 point something. That means some values are of 7 and others floor of 8. And total is 746. So let m of the values are 7 and 73 minus m of the terms a value 8. Values means floor value. So 7 times of m plus 8 into 73 minus 8, 73 minus m, sorry, equal to 546. Now solving this, get m is equals to 38. That means 38 terms are floor value 7 and the rest will be how many? 73 minus 38 are of floor value 8. Means starting from 19, 20, 21 will go 38th term will be 19 plus 37, that will be 56. So when we'll give for 100 R, it will be R plus 1 by 100 up to R plus 56 by 100, which is 7. And when next terms 57 by 100, this floor value is 8 up to R plus 99 by 100 floor. So this many terms is giving each floor value 7. So this will be 7 into 57, and the rest is this value are 43. 43 multiplies 8. The answer will be, it will multiply 77399 plus 34. The answer is 743. So floor 100 R equals to 743. Thank you for watching.